have got placed in company called Agile Health Technology. I have joined JSpiders by my friend's reference, and joining here is a great thing. You'll learn very good new things and a great place to get knowledge. And I would like to thank Syed sir for teaching us from the scratch to providing us the right path and building confidence. The way sir motivates everyone is very helpful, and I would also like to thank the HRs who helped me through the interview process.